Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Okay, we can begin with the developer options and a few things that we can change in them to gain some free speed. So open up your settings, now scroll down all the way until you find About Phone. Now click on Software Information, and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times until we see that we are a developer. In this case it says that the developer mode has been enabled. Okay, now go back, and now under About Phone, developer options appeared. Now we need to scroll down until we find four specific options. So we need to keep scrolling. Here are the first three: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the window animator duration scale. As you can see, all three of them are currently set on 1x. That's the default value. But to gain some speed and performance, we can set it on 0.5 or on off. All three of them. Simply don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For me, perfect balance between off and 1x is 0.5, so I'll stick to that value. I'll set all three of them, just like that, and now scroll down also a little until you find apps and background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but to improve the performance, we can select at most 3 or at most 4. It's up to you. For me, for example, I'll select at most 3. Okay, that's all when it comes to the developer options. Now it's also worth to open up the software update, and we need to simply check, are we using the latest version of the software. So we can click on download and install. Now it will check for updates. In my case, everything is up to date, so I don't have possibility to download anything. But if you will have that possibility, simply download and update to have the latest version. Pretty easy. Okay, now we can go into the apps. And now, in here, if you have some of the apps that you're not using or you use them very rarely, you can simply uninstall them. But remember that some of those apps are system apps and it's not available to uninstall them, so be careful. But if you have the apps that you have downloaded manually from the Play Store, you can uninstall them. You don't need to do it from the apps level, you can also do it from the home screen. Also, when we go into the settings and that apps, we should be able to clear the cache in some of the apps. For example, in the browser, it should be available. Click on the app, now click on storage. And some of the apps might have some cache. In my case, Chrome doesn't have it, it's 0 megabytes. But when you will have some of the cache, you'll be able to clear it right in here when you click on that button. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete your data, but it's simply worth to do it. Maybe I'll find some app where I'll be able to do it. Maybe the YouTube. Oh, in here we have some cache. Simply click on clear. Boom, that's all. And now our device and the YouTube itself might start working a little bit faster. Okay, when we go into the battery in the device care, in here there's a chance that you have a optimize button. In my case it doesn't appear. If you have it, simply click on that. When you go into not the battery but the storage, wait, not the storage, the memory, my bad. In here, you'll be able to clean up the memory of the background apps to get some free speed. Just like that. So simply, from time to time, take a look. Can you clear those junk files? We also have the RAM Plus. The RAM Plus works in that way that it uses our phone storage space to provide virtual memory. Choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. Choose less virtual memory to keep more storage space free. We can enable it. In my case, it's set on 4 gigabytes. If you want, you can go up to 6. Okay, I have shown you the software update, but we also have the auto optimization. Thanks to that, we'll be able to Enable restart when needed. Restart your phone automatically to keep it in the best condition. Automatic restarts will only happen when you are not using your phone. So thanks to that, the reboot will be done automatically, and we don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. Also, rebooting your device regularly can help with its performance, because, you know, during the reboot the phone rests. Also, the RAM gets freed up, and thanks to that, our device will be working better in a longer period of time. If you don't know how to do it manually, I'll show you. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu first. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button for around 1 second, just like that, and now simply tap on the restart, then tap again. After that, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be turned on automatically, and it will be ready to use. If you want, also you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, type cleaning or cleaner, you will have a whole list of apps that you can download, but always remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about the app. I'm wondering, there is something more in here. We can also enable the device protection, but when it comes to the rest, I think it's all. Also, if you are using your device during the day, there is a chance that in the recent apps, when you click on that button, you will have a lot of apps open in the background. To free up your RAM, simply close all of those apps that are opened. Thanks to that, you simply free up your RAM and your device might start working a little bit faster. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.